welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I am bringing you the details that are happening. So, as of this morning, we had some details released about Walmart's Black Friday deals for days. It is returning for the month of November of 2022. Now, if you are not familiar, I don't know where you would not be familiar, but if you are not familiar with like a Black Friday, basically what that is the Friday after Thanksgiving. That's when all of the Christmas sales, and the reason where we get the term Black Friday is the stores used to be in the red, owing money kind of thing, and then Black Friday they would do all their sales and people would buy everything for Christmas and they would go into the black. That's where it came. The idea came from for Black Friday, but it's no longer one day anymore. Most stores have several days, online deals, and Walmart itself has actually made the almost the entire month of November its Black Friday event. So I'm really excited to bring you some of the details. Before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. So I do a lot with Kroger and I do a little bit with like Walmart hidden clearance on this channel, but I love Walmart Black Friday. So this is one of the things I plan on really covering this year. So if you want to know more about the details of what's happening for Black Friday, especially Walmart, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, Walmart is back with our Black Friday deals for days. This is actually going to be 3 weeks worth of events plus an added bonus of a Cyber Monday. So here's what you can expect from most of the events. So events 1 and 2 and even 3 are going to all start on Mondays. So November 7th, November 14th, and November 21st. Now, if you have Walmart Plus, you will have early access to all of these deals starting at 12 p.m. on those days. However, if you do not, no worries, you'll be able to access all of those online deals at 7 p.m. that evening on Monday. Now, on event 1 and event 2, we're going to have in store deals start on Wednesdays, November 9th and November 16th. So, anything that you've seen online, you can also grab in store. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we also see some items that are specifically for in store only to get customers out of their beds and into the stores. Now, it does not say here when the in-store sales will actually start as far as in the morning. My guess is somewhere between 5 and 6 a.m. in the morning. If I remember correctly from last year, my stores started selling things at 5 a.m. Now, here's a little tidbit or a little trick. If you are looking for something that's very specific that is going to sell out quickly, if you do not have Walmart Plus early access, you need to be online right at 7 p.m. to grab some of those deals. If for some reason, again, they do not or they sell out right away, which has happened to me. I actually wanted to get a laptop last year. I tried to grab it online, and as soon as the sale started, it was already sold out. I went in store that next Friday and I had absolutely no problem picking it up. Now, it was on Friday. Last year the sales were Wednesday and Friday. This year it's Mondays and Wednesdays, just to make sure you're aware of that. So when I went in store, I actually was able to pick one up, and there were several actually still waiting to be picked up. Now, there is a limited supply in store, so I wouldn't necessarily wait until the next day. I would make sure you go in, but you shouldn't have too many problems grabbing that hot item that was online. Now, event 3 is slightly different. So it will begin on Monday, November 21st. Same details, early access at 12 p.m., and then access for everyone at 7 p.m. However, the in store deals are going to start on November 25th, which is Friday, actual Black Friday after Thanksgiving. So, Black Friday, you can actually go into the store. Again, not sure of what times are going to be available as far as when in store starts on Black Friday. We have in the past seen sales start on Thanksgiving or at midnight on Black Friday. I don't think that's going to be the case this year. It wasn't the case last year. In fact, Black Friday was pretty chill last year. If you haven't been out on Black Friday in many, many years, honestly, it's not what it used to be, at least not in where I'm at. Possibly, maybe in New York or something like that, big city, it might be still crazy. But as far as regular stores out there in the middle of the country, it was pretty chill. In fact, it was very calm. At the very first, hour of the sale. It's a little bit of a rush, but not as bad as it used to be. And then after that, wait an hour to go into the store, and it's very calm. So unless you're looking for something very specific that is going to sell out, I wouldn't rush into the store, but I would try to get there on the day that it starts. All right, guys, let me know in the comments if you are excited about all of the Black Friday deals coming. If you are a Walmart Black Friday fan, or let me know in the comments if there's somewhere else you're planning on going. Are you planning on heading to Target? Are you planning on heading to Kohl's? Those are two of the big ones I usually hit up. Meijer is a pretty local store to me, and that's one I usually hit as well because there'll be a few good deals. But again, the way Black Friday has changed, it's become an entire month. It's no longer one particular day. So the way we do things in store are a lot different. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on Black Friday and if you'll be in store. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. And of course, make sure you're subscribed so you can hear all the details when they come out later.